From Windy Natheva village on Benga Islands to the Public Service Commission, Mr. Jale Kunawalu lived a life committed to serving his beloved Fiji, giving more than 3 decades of his life to this calling. In his storied career in the civil service, he has traveled the world, and as a member of the Fiji National Provident Fund, he used his savings for his education, medical and housing needs, attesting to the benefits of saving for the future. Today, he thoroughly enjoys his pension. This is Charlie's take on the benefits of saving for retirement.
I joined the civil service in 1986, fresh from school. As you know, that at that time it's compulsory for an employee to have the FNPF deducted. As a career civil servant, we have a lot of benefits, I can say, in terms of being our because we know the systems and processes, we tend to be promoted from one position to another. I started off as a temporary relieving clerical officer, from administrative officer, senior, principal. And then in 2012, I got a position with the Ministry of Lands as the Director of Corporate Services. Been a director for 10 years, I confirm. And then 2020, I was promoted as a Deputy Secretary with Ministry of Lands. 2021, they were trying to promote this product, the additional contribution. From there, I tend to realize, okay, I'm about to retire in 2 years' time. So I deducted, I'm just filling the form for additional contribution. I sent it to our accounts, and they started to deduct additional contribution, $100 from my additional contribution. 2021, when the interest came, my interest alone was $14,000, which I was shocked to see, because it thrive up. It's just the total contribution. I'm experiencing it now. I'm living a life of a retiree, enjoying my retiree through this FNPF retirement scheme. That's my advice to the employees employing now. Please make use of that additional contribution. You will know and you will reap the benefit when you retire. Make use of the products that FNPF has been promoting. As an employee, as a worker, we are so used in receiving money. Like myself, I prefer that because I'm now receiving money every month. So it's like the same with me, that I'm still working. Look after yourself well, because when you reach 55, at least you have something, and you use something for yourself before, some other people, before you reach 55, some other people will enjoy your sweat.